want to start streaming, but you don't really know where to start from? Well, that's where you need to start from. Hey there guys, I'm NibletK and I'm here to take you on a little journey on a step-by-step episode-based how to start streaming on Twitch. Step by step. Hey cat. To the recording room. Well, come on over, let me show you. When it comes to streaming, you're gonna have to figure out on what you want to do that on. And the best option is, of course, a PC, a desktop PC, because that is the highest performing and value workhorse that you can get. If you can't get that, try to get a good laptop. Of course, if you're not a PC player and you don't intend to anyways, there's always, the options of consoles. So be it Xbox, be it PlayStation, be it even the Nintendo Switch, which has a lot of games as well that you can't really find on PC anyways. So whatever it is that you want to do, you can do it. Now, important to mention is if you're going to play only console things, I would strongly recommend that you try to invest in a streaming PC. Even if you don't use the PC for gaming, just use the PC to capture what it is that you're playing from those consoles. Invest in a capture card that will help you get the best quality and best performance for streaming. And lastly, if you're not interested maybe in gaming at all, but you still want to stream anything else, you can do that. So you might want to try to stream from your phone, or you might just want to set up a normal streaming from your kitchen or cooking or doing arts and crafts and stuff like that. Most of the times you can get away with something like this, or you might really want to invest in a camera setup and, like I said, a laptop or a PC from which you run your software from, so it doesn't necessarily have to be gaming. Okay, so having said all of those things, recommendations, a good, very good PC or a laptop, consoles, phones, cameras. These are all things that you're going to have to get really on lockdown. That is your main priority. Second thing you need is good internet. Because without internet, you might as well just watch Netflix or something. It's not gonna work out. I'm sorry. But if you don't have good internet, this is not gonna work. Just get the best that you can. So that's another high investment that you will have to make, and don't skimp on internet. Really don't do it. You're gonna hate yourself in the end. Trust me. And also, the last things that you're gonna need are probably some programs, software that are going to help you stream to the platform that you want. So in my case and in our case, what we're going to be focusing on over here on this channel is going to be OBS. OBS is free. You can go and download it. Just type in your internet browsers and whatnot, OBS, and you're gonna find it. We'll be touching up on that in the upcoming episodes on how to set up everything. Those are my little step-by-step introductionary implementations of how to start streaming. Hope you guys are on board. Also, honorary mentions. We have Alpha Gaming, a friend Harris Heller, splendid channel on helping out content creators getting started on Twitch and on YouTube and stuff like that, and also gaming careers. Really good tutorials and how-tos and product reviews as well. So definitely check them out as well. And like I said, hope you guys are on board, and I'll see you guys in the next videos where we're going to start taking these steps together. All right, bye-bye.